Hola, hola! Welcome back to the Spanish word of the day with Mr. Briggs. Today's word is the word excited. How do you say excited in the Spanish language? Okay, we're going to see. But before that, click that red button and subscribe. Enhance your vocabulary with me. Guess what? I upload videos daily, so click that red button. Muy bien, comencemos. Now, excited in Spanish, it's usually translated incorrectly as the word excitado. But you have to be careful because even though these two words look alike, they are known as false friends. If you use excitado, mind you, you are in for some embarrassment. Now, let me explain this. I had a friend who was learning Spanish, and when we went to a stadium to see a soccer match, she said that she was excitada, which can come across as sexually aroused. So be very careful. Not many people or websites tell you this. Sometimes excited is also translated as emocionado, but to be honest, in many Spanish countries, emocionado means to be moved to tears. Now, if you want to express excitement, as in excited, use the word entusiasmado. Entusiasmado. These people are entusiasmado and entusiasmada. They are excited. Now, let's see a few examples. Yo estoy entusiasmado. I'm excited. Yo estoy entusiasmado. If you're a female, you would say, yo estoy entusiasmada. Entusiasmada. Now, let's say that you want to say, he's excited. You would say, él está entusiasmado. Él está entusiasmado. Entusiasmado. Él está entusiasmado. He's excited. Otro ejemplo. Ella está entusiasmada. She's excited. Look at her. Ella está entusiasmada. It's not that hard. It all comes down to practice. If you want to say he was excited, then you would say él estaba entusiasmado. Él estaba entusiasmado. Practice, practice, practice. The more you repeat, the easier it will become. She was excited. Ella estaba entusiasmada. Wow, she's very entusiasmada. Muy entusiasmada. Ella estaba muy entusiasmada. It is spelled in Spanish Entusiasmado if you're a male, or with an A at the end if you're a female. Entusiasmado if you're a male, or ending in an A if you're a female. Entusiasmado. Entusiasmado. Practice, practice, and you'll get it. By the way, my friends, I got more than 365 videos, so click the red button, subscribe, and tomorrow I'm bringing a new video. So I'll see you mañana. Hasta mañana. Ciao, ciao.